Many people are desperate to get rich fast, but don't know exactly where to start. Regardless of your current level, you need a strategy. Without it, you're just a blind man in the middle of a busy highway. And today, I'm giving you everything you need to get started. This exact strategy helped me earn $200 for a week with just small initial deposits. I'm sure it will work for you too. Watch to the end and I'll show you all the settings, trade live, and explain how to trade with more money than you have in your current balances. So pay close attention, guys. This is 100% valuable. Let's get started. Okay, let's start our indicators. We need exactly 2 moving averages plus CCI. Now we need to set them up. For the first moving average, we change the period to 50. I'll also make it white and taking the line for better visibility. Okay, now everything is ready. Moving to the second MA, we set the period to 100 and also slightly modify its appearances. You can choose any colors you like. The key is being able to distinguish these lines from others. CCI remains unchanged. It works perfectly for our strategy. Now, it's time to move on to the principles of opening trades. The key point is the crossover of MAs. When the line with a period of 50 is on top, the market is rising, and we only look for opportunities to take long positions. At this approximate level, there will be a new crossover. The yellow MA will move upward while the price will be in a confirmed downtrend phase. It's important to note that sometimes the price retraces like here. Overall, the charts move unevenly, which is why we need a second indicator. Here's what CCI does. Pay attention to the correlation. When CCI breaks out of its channel boundaries, the price often stalls. This is the most dangerous moment. We skip such trades. CCI prevents us from entering during extreme rallies. Drops when risk is too high. Another clear example. CCI breached its limit again, and look at what happened here to the price. We definitely don't enter here. Reverse scenario. Now CCI exits the channel on the opposite side. After re-entering the channel, the asset rebounded slightly. This would have been a valid entry point. So here's the setup. We have 2 MAs. Their relative positioning shows the overall trend direction. Meanwhile, CCI flags when to avoid entries. We are now trade ready. I'll find an asset with a clear signal and we'll begin. Okay, we are entering the market shorts. Guys, now let's analyze the situation. CCI has moved downward after crossing the upper boundary. This is reflected in this reversal. At the same time, we have a short-term trend line that has also been broken downward. After the current small bounce, we should expect further decline, especially since we have the yellow MA on top. Alright, now we just need to wait for the results. Let's see what happens with the price. Overall, we have an upward trend in a long term, but considering its slowdown in this area here, we might well be seeing a reversal right now. In any case, our trade aligned perfectly with the strategy. The indicators are giving us all the necessary signals, and we are capitalizing on them. And here comes our first profits. Okay guys, you should examine other market situations too. Okay, I'll switch charts now. Okay, we're entering charts again, guys. Let's look at the logic behind this move. CCI has been trading near the channel center for a while. It is in the safe zone with no filter signals. Meanwhile, we have an MA crossover with the yellow line above, confirming the downtrend phase. The chart clearly supports this. We are calmly waiting for the decline. If we draw the lower channel boundary, you'll see the asset is moving precisely within its limits. Here's the exact price target area. Now, we just need to wait a bit longer. As you can see, I utilize every aspect of price analysis during trading. Yes, this requires experience, but you will develop it over time. Start simple, begin with this trading system, see indicator signals, enter the market. Later, you will gain access to many more financial instruments. Meanwhile, I'm already in profits and I plan to continue trading here. Increasing risk to about $1,000, it's time to level up. Pro tip, always stick to the same charts if the signal persists. In my experience, consecutive winning trades on one asset yield the biggest profits. Let's keep trading. Entering short again. The market shows No sign of reversing, so we are capitalizing on this opportunity. Key level alert. This is where price previously bounced and now the asset is falling right towards it. Always mark these zones. Here's another one, guys. See how price tested it twice already? The asset is approaching it again. Now, let's watch how it plays out. Pro insights. This setup features prominently in my exclusive Telegram chat breakdown. On my channel, I post live trade signals, reveal high profit strategies, and also I share real-time market analysis. This knowledge is for free for all. Just hit subscribe, DM me anytime. Yes, I answer personally. Don't overthink it. The link is in the video description. Trade updates, guys. Another profitable position closed. Guys, now let's switch charts and find new opportunities.
Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue.
So guys, I'm entering the markets here. Let me break down this setup. CCI breaking upward and assets has no room to retreat. White MA position above. This logically suggests further upward movement, especially since the assets is being in a sustained uptrend. So final trade, guys. Now we'll just wait for results. This is our last trade today, assuming it closed in profit, of course. Trading wisdom. The key skill, knowing when to stop. Made good profits. Had a productive session. Great. Now let's take a break. Recharge. Handle other priorities. Golden rule. Moderation is everything. Remember, you trade for your life, not live for trading. Meanwhile, I'm counting down 3, 2, 1. Perfect execution. Session wrap up. That's a wrap up on trading, guys. Now, let's recap today's key lessons. As you've seen, trading becomes straightforward when you have basic experience and market awareness. Just 2 indicators can transform 1,000 to 3,000 in just 4 to 5 successful trades. Exclusive opportunity for you. I understand that many viewers don't like to start up with large capital. That's why I've got something special for you. Visit my Telegram channel for a pocket option promo code. Get 50% bonus on your first deposit. Deposit $100 and get $150, which is perfect for a starting up boost. Let's keep the conversation going, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see next. So stay tuned for more valuable insights.